Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson. We're back at it with another nostalgic snack from my childhood, but today we're going to be making some Cosmic Brownies. For this recipe we need vanilla extract, salt, cocoa powder, sugar, all-purpose flour, dark chocolate chips, heavy whipping cream, unsalted butter, 4 eggs, and nerds. In a large bowl, add in 2 sticks of melted butter and 2 cups of sugar and mix until smooth. Now crack in 4 eggs, add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, then mix well. Alright, now the dry ingredients. In a bowl, whisk together 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and half teaspoon of salt, then add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and be careful not to overmix. Alright, now pour the batter into the pan with parchment paper at the bottom, then smooth it out. Bake this bad boy in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, then cool completely. Alright, it's time to make the ganache. Pretty simple, just get a bowl, pour in a cup of dark chocolate chips, add in half cup of hot heavy cream, then stir until smooth. And once the brownies have cooled down, pour the ganache over the warm brownies and spread evenly. Then, immediately sprinkle some rainbow chips on top. I'm using Nerds by the way because I don't even have rainbow chips. But just because I don't have rainbow chips does not mean this recipe won't work out well. You can either refrigerate this for an hour, then slice it into rectangles, or just slice right away. I got no patience, so I'm just going to slice it right away. Alright, I got the Cosmic Brownies. I'm gonna try it and I won't cap. Oh. This is good. It's gooey a little gooey in the middle. Filled with that chocolate. Yeah. Okay. And the fact that I used dark chocolate, it's really not that sweet. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, and the Nerds, you don't really taste it that much, but it gives it a little bit of a fruity flavor. I'll tell you that. Yeah, yeah. And I'll be honest with you, I can't even remember the last time I had store-bought Cosmic Brownies. Yeah, it's been way too long. Because usually we wouldn't even get it in my house. Like, we would never buy it, ever. They would either just get like a box of brownie mix and make it, or just make it from scratch. That's how it was growing up. So if you were to ask me when was the last time I've ever had Cosmic Brownies from the store, I wouldn't even be able to tell you. That's for sure. But I really feel like the store-bought ones, they're like extremely sweet. These ones right here, things I pretty much control the ingredients, so it's not really sweet, but I can definitely see a little kid loving the store-bought Cosmic Brownies. That's for sure, because of how sweet it is. For these right here, it's sweet, but it's not like when you bite it, it's like, oh my gosh, too sweet. It's like perfectly fine. That's how it is. But yeah, kind of like going back to memory lane. I'll tell you that. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.